To be honest, my hair is just like I tried to get it as wet as I could. I don't know. Shit's gotta be looking good somehow. Because I cannot always be looking like a crackhead. Doesn't always work out for me. But yeah, so like curling my hair in on itself, like make sure that I get everything. And yeah, I think that's basically like that's decent. Could be worse. Could be better for sure, but could be worse. Okay, so last step, gel, curling cream or not, is always to shake it a little bit. Okay, and hopefully that works out better than it was before. So this is actually a cooking video, but now I've got my hair done, so hey. Um, yeah, I don't really. This has basically been like what I've been eating for the past couple of days, weeks, forever. Like as long as I've had a place to cook. Beans and rice. It's my favorite. Not my favorite dish, but it's easy. It's really good. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I have beans and rice, gumbo, and then for breakfast I usually actually have beans and rice or gumbo, but sometimes I mix in oatmeal. I switch it up with oatmeal, or I do grits and eggs, or something like that. But today it's beans and rice, so I'm gonna make some beans and rice. Honestly, if I'd done this while it was wet, this would be looking really good. Okay, so this is what I'm working with right now. This is everything I need to make some good fucking rice and beans. Goddamn. Oh shit. This is really hot, so I'm just gonna cook it real fast. And hopefully that means the vegetables will stay pretty fresh, not too overcooked, but everything will be looking pretty nice. I usually don't, but now I'm gonna be using some sausage, kielbasa sausage actually, and that's what I use for my gumbo too, and it shit's just too good. Like I always make sure to have some kielbasa around. So there's that. I'm gonna throw in the kielbasa. There we go. I'm gonna use this to make sure that these beans do not stick to the pan, but I think I am a little bit late to that game, so at this point you just gotta get it going. The thing with this kielbasa is I have it frozen, but usually if it's not frozen, it is just fine as soon as it's warm, because it's sausage, so it's basically ready to go whenever you are, which is pretty dope. And honestly, I should have put the sausage in first, now that I think about it, so that I could make sure the sausage was good before I did the vegetables, so that they could kind of all be on the same page. But again, that ship is sailed, so this is the best I got. And I guess I can actually, now that looks like that sausage is coming around. So put a little bit more of this in there, and could use a little bit more green. So fuck it, do that. I'm gonna leave this for a second, and when I come back, I'll put together the rice, the beans. Yeah, that's looking real good. So what I'm gonna do now is I've turned that down. So I'm gonna take this rice and I'm gonna put it in the beans. Okay, so after all that, this is what we got. Only things I would change next time is I'd use a full can of beans because the juice would make it so that it'd be a little bit better with the rice. You kind of like give it, you just give it like kind of like the sauce. And give it like moisture. The way I fixed that was by putting a little bit of water in there, putting in that sriracha, throwing some lemon in there. So this is gonna be just fine. And then also I would cook this off camera next time so I can be more attentive to it and not burn it because you can definitely tell it's a little bit burnt. But this is gonna be some good shit. Burnt and so yeah, that's it. That's rice and beans.